Hey students, welcome to your weekly art video. This week we are going to be discussing art appreciation. We're going to design a digital logo and we're going to use a free draw to make your own logo, if I can talk. Here is your week at a glance. You can also find this information on the homepage of our class, and you can find it in the weekly announcement. Okay, so the first thing that I want you to do is you're going to go to this site. It is freelogodesign.org. Okay, you can also find a link to this in the weekly announcement. Okay, so go to that site. You can pause this video if you need to. And then what you're going to do is here, hang on. You're going to go in and you're going to make up a company name, or if you want to, you can use your first name and your last name and then click Get Started. Okay? Right here. Enter your name or your company name, and then you'll click Get Started right here. Sorry, I should have circled and showed you. Okay, so once you do that, it's going to give you a bunch of different results. Pick out one that you like, and then you can start editing. You can customize it and you can play around with all the design features. You can mess with the background, you can mess with the fonts, you can mess with the colors. They've got templates that you can play with. So what we want you to do is we want you to create your own logo. When you're finished creating that logo, please take a snip and post it on the high school Padlet so that we can all see who came up with what. Maybe we can all heart the best one or something. Okay, and the link to the Padlet is again in the weekly video, or you can find it, I think it is on the homepage as well. Now, since you've done a digital one, I would love for you to try to do one by hand. The ones that they gave you, in my opinion, that's some really good inspiration for maybe something that you'd like to try. Try messing with it digitally and then try to sketch it out. Okay. You can do some research. You can look at other logos. You can Google some logos on the internet, or you may have like a favorite brand like Nike or something like that, and you want to do something similar to that. Sketch your ideas on paper. Also, if you want to go back and just keep doing it with the digital, that's okay too. That's okay too, no problem. But for those of you that love to sketch, I would love to see what you design on paper. And please, when you're finished, share it on the Padlet so that we all can see it. Okay, so this is our monthly art challenge for this month. Okay, is to design your own logo. Oh, let me move my face. There we go. Okay, so the way that you find this is go to modules, scroll down to week 12, click on monthly art challenge, and that's where you get the directions and links. And then you click on the artist showcase, which is the Padlet, to post it on the Padlet. You're going to design your own logo with the generator and or from scratch, and that's the challenge. There's a link to the generator right inside here. Okay, you'll find all this information right inside here, and this is a link to the Padlet. Okay, so if you have any questions about that, feel free to get in touch with me or email me, text me, whatever. Okay. Okay, so there is no required quiz or test this week. Next week, you will have a quiz over copyright. Okay, have a great week, everybody. If you have any questions, feel free to come to office hours or you can email me. Bye, everybody.